Welcome. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to leave a Discord server, you've come to the right place. Maybe you've joined too many servers, or perhaps you just want to clean up your list and stay in the ones that matter most. Today, I'll walk you through the updated method to leave any Discord server in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, this step is the same. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your list of servers. Next, tap the Home button. It's the small Discord icon at the top left corner of your screen. That'll bring you to your full list of servers on the left side. This is where all your joined communities appear. Now, find the server you want to leave. It could be a group for gaming, studying, or chatting, but the process is identical for all of them. Once you've found it, press and hold on the server icon. On desktop, this works by right-clicking the server instead. After that, tap More Options. A small menu will appear, showing you several choices like Notifications, Settings, and Invites. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see the option that says Leave Server. Finally, tap Leave Server. Discord will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you're certain about leaving. Once you confirm, that's it, you're out of the server, and it will instantly disappear from your list. Leaving servers helps keep your Discord more organized and less overwhelming. It's a good idea to review your servers occasionally and leave the ones you no longer use. That way, you can focus on the communities that actually matter to you. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to tidy up your server list today. Thanks for watching.